Hello guys, welcome to Tech Space on XDN Ghana. Today we are going to delve into a cybercrime issue, okay? And this is related to an index which speculates that currently Ghana, Nigeria, South Africa has been identified as hotspots for cybercrime. So guys, before we go into this one, kindly subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell icon to receive alerts whenever we post. And I'll be switching to my local tree dialects for my people to also understand, so bear with me. And I'm just copying this information from TechLabari.com. You can also go there and check it. So, as posted by Joseph Albert Curry, okay, for TechLabari.com, Nigeria, Ghana, and South Africa identified as cybercrime hotspots according to World Fair Cybercrime Index. Enti we the person chance dwumakuo bi a omo hwehwe cybercrime no ye internet so bone nketenkete bone die hacking ne nsebone nketenkete ekoso internet so ana ye de computer edi no eno ena ye friend no cybercrime ebetimi aye computer ebetimi aye phone but the nam internet ne so no eno ena meka ho asem enti sa nkofo anadwumakuo no aye ehwehwemu no report omode aba no suggest say Nigeria and Ghana na South Africa yewo Africa no ya di atrenche na nya yini ewo cybercrime mu na index na so share the disu mu countries cybercrime no ewo hono bebre dey everybody from. So we are just going to look into all of those stuffs. According to the list, Russia is ranked the number 1. Say a ban of cybercrime upon Russia, followed by Ukraine. Ukraine ya tokwesi we ya money Russia for na no. Say a cybercrime tam crofumi no tam for pan na chese bone a yidin wo internet so say hacking wo said then you omudi din semone no na chese two countries omudi mu atrentre we if you are na China, the USA, Nigeria and Romania. Ena etwaso inti yebe digest report na no. So the co-author of the study, who is Dr. Miranda Bruce from University of Oxford and Canberra, said the study will enable the public and private sectors to focus their resources on key cybercrime hubs and spend less time and funds on cybercrime countermeasures in countries where the problem is not that significant. Countries now are ancient the companies which are situated at such companies will know at such locations would know whether they have to be much focused on cyber security to help them out in such areas. Indeed, the research that underpins the index attempts to help remove the veil of anonymity around cybercriminal offenders, and we hope that it will aid the fight against the growing threat of profit-driven cybercrime. All right, so the data was gathered through a survey of 92 leading cybercrime experts from around the world who are involved in cybercrime intelligence gathering and investigations. The survey asked the experts to consider 5 major categories of cybercrime, nominate the countries they consider to be most significant sources of each of these types of cybercrime, and then rank country according to the impact, professionalism, and technical skill of its cyber criminals. To even know say cybercrime activities because we my and what I said on my microphone I committed crime no almost nim de echo drew saying omunim omoye ntotofefe anase omoye expert ankasa ewo de omoye mumti eho ena report ya na research ya omoye de ne focus the ekoko gina. So the 5 major categories of cybercrime assessed by this particular study were 1, technical product and services. That's malware coding, botnet access to compromised systems, and tool production. 2. Attacks and extortion. That's DDoS attacks, denial of service attacks, and ransomware. 3. Data or identity theft. That's hacking, phishing, account compromises, credit card compromises. The 4th one is scams. That's advanced fee fraud, business email compromise, online auction fraud. And the last but not least, cashing out or money laundering. That's credit card fraud, money moves, illicit virtual currency platforms. Semicheche omwa coding, malware, botnets, any access to compromised systems no ejina cybercrime whereby I say omoto virus bima o computer and I click a link bi so a sa link no ebetimi amomanya akwanya aboawura o computer nim ana asempo server wadwuma mu bibia o metimi aboawura na omo access ko server no no ma replicate virus na madwuma bi o mpese ade ni di mo no edi amom so omo dey say wo fidie so omo dey say bibi so omo dey real information. They will just get that access and do that thing. Attacks and extortion and so is the same thing. Data identity theft, hacking. So mobile hacker or phishing. Say open go facebook.com. No be so facebook.com. Was said being in the when you are bound so I say Facebook now we run so now we jatabu mu ankasa no money what they are face inti no phishing, account compromises na credit card compromises and also obitimi enam say you use your credit card e deep juma online or the card e to ya kan inti no e to da bia omutimi access cookies and also card details so one ko bo anhye baby pa one bo anhye a secured site mu a criminals see insert information no mutimi de dituma whereby osika bi omutimi use and omo de toto niema o share scams no aji atrenchwe wo Africa me sure say no beka ho no omo de Nigeria ne ne keka ho for na beka ho no ye share advanced fee fraud, business email compromise ubohu na wote wonom. Why do you say bank na send you message say be share no account no be scan the man scan him ebi so a company bi asendo ejuma say ohia bibi say which is like high business transactions so at say eno ebi scammers and cyber criminals getimi to sim omo te say company project mo sendo sa message bi ma won so wafa so na wanam so 2 years ka ama ohun akodi edwemu ankasa. Then online auction fraud wetimi akọ website bi na auction osi ukoye bi udu sika be kwa akoshem ebebo adi egu nti you would have to look at all those stuffs. Also cashing out or money laundering credit card fraud, money moves no be suma mo akwaji sika bi a won ti ase na o diska twitwiri de bi suma or they nyama basa bi nam internet dwumadie so no categories we nyina and I'm looking at to just do this study. And what they are saying is that due to the illicit and anonymous nature of the activities, cyber criminals cannot be easily assessed or reliably surveyed. They are actively hiding. If you try to use technical data to map their location, you will also fail. As cyber criminals bounce their attacks around internet infrastructure across the world, the best means we have to draw a picture of where these offenders are actually located, is to survey those whose job is to track these people. So what I say, almost say a more than part to even track these cyber criminals because they definitely change their locations and they use VPNs and what have you. So what I say, we mentioned that once we wait me, I them kenkan. Member in the one for countries which were featured into this ranking. And as I initially said, the first country is Russia. Cybercrime threat level at the bare 58.39. I think it's percentage. So I say, Ukraine, also a dear trend, number 36.44%. China, 27.86, followed closely by United States, and also here 25.01. Then Nigeria, it also number 5. Also number 21.28. So also now Romania, 14.83%. North Korea, 10.61, United Kingdom 9, Brazil 8, India 6, Iran 4.78, Belarus 3.87, and Ghana also 13. 3.5. South Africa also 14, 2.5. So what I say now, Moldova, Israel, Poland, Germany, Netherlands, and Latvia. And the countries we mo and a cybercrime index no then almost cybercrime threat level no was suye. And the companies di nyuma no betimi ahwe na hu say sample wajuma oye no online ejuma na say say unya nkitamudie ana wo set up a location in some of these countries Ube senior ube dealing or cyber security issues no ube senior ube kono enti and America will be XDN Ghana tech space enti tech space with XDN Ghana. Subscribe to YouTube channel no, hit the notification bell no, send a baby posting on Cybercrime also wide wahwebi na wasend ya ma foforo no one so ababe join channel no. Better say